Hello. Welcome to the Top 5 channel. Today I will discuss the top 5 most venomous animals in the world. This is a list of the most venomous animals in the world. Our inventory includes animals that live on land and in the sea. Unfortunate encounters with these creatures can result in severe injury or even death. Number 5. Stonefish. It is hard to see this fish due to its stone-like appearance. The sting from a stonefish caused necrosis of the skin, rapid swelling and severe pain. Some people may experience muscle fatigue, temporary paralysis, and even shock. In some reports, victims of a stonefish sting have requested amputation to reduce the pain. Number 4. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is the most venomous in the world. This spider gets its name because it wanders around during dark hours. When they bite, their forelimbs act as fangs and inject venom containing the neurotoxin PHTX3, which causes intense pain and can lead to muscle failure and death. Number 3. The inland taipan snake. The inland taipan snake, also known as the fierce snake or the small-scaled snake, is considered the most venomous land-dwelling snake in the world. Although it is observed to be a rather shy reptile, it has been known to strike up to 7 times when it does bite. Its venom has thymoxin and protease enzymes. Number 2. The Belcher's sea snake. The Belcher's sea snake is the most venomous in the world. Just a couple of milligrams of this reptile's venom can kill 1,000 humans. Fortunately, like most sea snakes, the Belcher's sea snake is relatively harmless and tends to avoid human contact. It is important to note that the bite from this snake is not incredibly painful. Still, medical action should be taken immediately as deaths have been known to occur within 30 minutes of venom injection. Number 1. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is arguably the most venomous creature in the world. Its venom contains neurotoxins, cardiotoxins, and dermonecrotic toxins, chemicals that kill living tissue. One sting from this animal can cause respiratory failure and cardiac arrest. Some people will go into shock and, as a result, drown from the painfulness of the sting alone before they even get a chance to make it back to the shore. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button, comment and subscribe for more.